Hi everyone, gusto ko lang i-share itong isang appreciation post ng Involve Asia admin sa kanilang Involve Asia official Facebook page. Okay, September 1 pa to guys, pero ang subject kasi nito, top community contributors for the week. Sabi dito, isang malaking pasasalamat sa ating top community contributors for the week na always ready to comment at magbigay ng helpful information sa ating mga kapwa Involve Asia publishers. Okay? Thank you Vanessa Visperas Giao, Claire Ann LD, and Involve Asia Cryptocurrency, yours truly. Okay, para sa patuloy na pagbabahagi ng inyong karunungan at kaalaman sa ating mga community members. Okay, tuloy-tuloy lang sa pag-inspire at pagtulong sa mga members natin. Malay natin, may surprise pala na naghihintay para sa inyo later on. Okay. So ayan siya guys. For additional information, ito yung view ng aking Involve Asia affiliate marketing dashboard. And based sa information na nakikita ninyo, talagang earning talaga. Or pwede talaga tayong kumita ng passive income sa pag-share lang ng mga affiliate marketing links sa ating mga social media accounts from our trusted brands and leading advertisers. Okay? So after doing your own research and decided na kayo na mag-start sa Involve Asia affiliate marketing, para makapag-earn ng additional passive income, maaari nyo ring i-click yung link sa description ng video na to para makapag-sign up or register sa Involve Asia affiliate marketing platform, okay? And to recap guys, ito yung official Facebook page ng Involve Asia, Involve Asia Philippines official group, okay? As of the recording ng video natin today, Monday, September 11, 2023, 8:29 AM Manila time, meron itong 8.1k members, okay?
Amazing.
So, to ensure na tama yung sasalihan ninyong Facebook page ng Involve Asia Philippines official group, ito yung information na maaari kong i-share sa inyo sa video na to. Now, disclaimer statement for our Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on our website, Involve Asia and Cryptocurrency YouTube channel is strictly at your own risk. So more fruitful gains everyone. I'll see you again on our next vlog.